For 50 years, Magnesium Elektron has produced the industry standard in magnesium photo engraving plates, and this short video will explain the full 12-step process. Magnesium engraving plates are lightweight, fast etching, and environmentally friendly, and used across a wide range of applications. Firstly, always store your photo engraving plates in a cool, dry place. To achieve the best quality engraving, you should carefully inspect your artwork. Check for pinholes in the black areas, which can cause pimples if not painted out. The image edges should be in sharp, straight lines, and inspect carefully for any dirt on the film. Proper exposure is essential for successful etching. You should use a Stufa step guide to determine proper exposure. Hydrosolve needs an exposure of 9 to 11 step. There are options for developing which can be either automatic or hand processing. This can be done in a tray, dip tank, or spray processor. For Hydrosolve, you should mix 1 part Hydrosolve developer with 4 parts water. The process should take around 60 seconds. For post-developing using Hydrosolve, remove the plate from the developer and rinse with water to remove any excess, and then wipe with a soft, clean cloth. This will help produce crisp edges and clean screens. Before etching, touch up the finished plate and examine carefully for any flaws. We recommend painting the edges of the plate with retouching lacquer. Before etching, note down and record the initial plate weight on your log. The scale must be capable of weighing to the nearest 7 grams or quarter ounce. This will be used to determine your etch rate. Descumming the plates prior to etching will result in cleaner etches. To descum Hydrosolve, this needs a mild nitric acid solution of 1 to 2% mixed with water. Apply this solution on the plate and rub lightly with a pad. Finally, rinse the plate with water. To prevent the plate from oxidizing, the plate should be kept wet with an application of one of Magnesium Elektron's pre-etching solutions, gum arabic, express guard, or wetting agent. To build your etch bath, make sure the machine is thoroughly cleaned. Fill the tank halfway with water, add nitric acid, add etching oil, fill to level with water, mix bath thoroughly. Etch plates according to the Magnesium Elektron technical data sheets. Remove the plate from the bath and rinse through, and then dry the plate. Now weigh the plate again and record the weight in a log to determine the correct acid replenishment required. Restore the proper level to the bath by adding water or draining excess. Check the depth of the etch with a micrometer. Wash the plate with hot water or detergent solution to complete the process. Remove any residual photoresist coating from the plate. The etching process is now complete and you have your finished etch. Service and innovation in graphic arts from the global company with local support. Magnesium Elektron.